People just be like, yo, bro, oh my God, your song is gonna get 1,000 more streams because you recorded in unison. Or they're like, oh, bro, your song could have went viral if you would have just used unison. Your song, like, bro, Travis Scott would definitely sign you if you actually just put your Need 1073 in unison. Come on, bro. Come on, man. I don't know if you care or not, but I've been getting bullied in the comment section. That don't even sound. But I get a lot of comments asking me why don't I use my Neve 1073 or the Avalon or the Manly Vox box in unison, and I'm like, I ain't got to. I spent my money on my Apollo Twin. I bought these plugins. You can't tell me what to do with something I bought. My explanation for not using unison is because unison only controls this knob, right? So when you put it in unison, you can control the preamp part, all right? Okay. When I tell people, it's like, hey, I can only control the preamp. I can't control the EQ from the knob, okay? So if I'm going to have this plugin up anyway and make my adjustments anyway, why can't I just put it on my insert? It's literally no difference. No difference is all. No, like none at all. Like for some reason, people act like it makes a huge difference in it being in unison versus the insert, and it doesn't. Shawty don't love me for real. She just want the money. Shawty don't love me for real. She just want the money. All right, so watch this. Now bring that down, right? Shawty don't love me for real. She just want the money. Shawty don't love me for real. She just want the money. Alright, so that's with unison. For whatever reason, people want that to mean the world. So watch this. Watch this. Just watch this. Watch it. Alright. Alright. Watch this. Watch this. Now we're gonna go back over here. Go back over here and watch it. Watch me click it right here. Let me watch. Look, it's clicked. Ooh, 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 ooh. All right. All right now. All right now. I might need to turn it down a little bit. Might have to go back in here and click it and set it or whatever. Okay, let's put it right here at 40 or the 35. Let's do 35. So watch this. Go back over here. Ooh. Shawty don't love. Shawty don't love me for real. She just want money. Shawty don't love me for real. She just want money. Wow. Shawty don't love me for real. She just want money. Shawty don't love me for real. She just want money. Where's the difference? It's literally no difference. I don't understand people, bro. Like, honestly, because, like, what are we doing? Like, what are we really doing? Like, unison controls this. That is it. My thought process is, bro, like, if it's gonna do the same thing and I can set it up here, I can just put it here. Like, I don't have to put shit up here. I don't have to put nothing here. Like, I literally don't have to put nothing up there because I don't have nothing up there. And I'm still recording the same way. Because it's like at a certain point, bro, we got to stop trying to split hairs and do all these little bitty nuanced things, or your lived experience versus somebody else's lived experience being right or wrong. It's like, bro, all of this stuff we got are tools, bro. We all use this completely different, right? Like, come on, bro. Like, we got to stop trying to argue over little things, bro. Like, this stuff doesn't even matter, bro. Like, if you put it in unison and you record a bad song, it's still a bad song. It don't really matter, right? A person can record with inserts and print everything and it'd be a great song, and it's a great song, right? It don't matter, right? You gotta stop trying to split hairs all the time. Like, if somebody sees somebody do something completely different from what they do, or they've seen people around them do, you can't, your first thing can't go to, this person don't know what they talking about, or this person is wrong, or this person don't. It's like, bro, you have to understand, like, nobody has to do things the way that you do it in the music industry and life in general. You know what I'm saying? the way you shoot a basketball is different from how I shoot a basketball. You know what I'm saying? Like, like everyone is looking for like the perfect way to do something. It's like you really got to understand there's not a perfect way to use this console, right? The perfect way is the way that works for you, right? The way that I use it is not going to work for everyone, right? Except for the people that like the way I do things and they try to do things the way that I do it. You know what I'm saying? Because me, honestly, I don't even use this shit. Like, I never use the console when I'm making YouTube content, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's why I have the print track in here. So this is basically what I'm recording through. Right, I'm recording through these plugins that's on here, and it's gonna get printed on here, and it's gonna be on the effect here. And a lot of people don't understand the concept, because once you hit UAD record, see this right here, it's gonna record everything that's on the inserts, including whatever's up here on Unison. All right, I understand that, I know that, but I just prefer to have it down here. But for some reason, people want to try to bully me into recording and doing it the way that they do it. But it's like, bro, if you want to see people record with the Unison, go do Unison on your channel, all right? Like, that's just where we at. So you see that record, all that right there? We record that right there. If we don't want to print, we put it right here. So the record track, that would be dry. So that would be our monitor only, all right? So UAD monitor would be right here on my record track, and then the print is my like the rec, you know what I'm saying, UAD rec or whatever, right? So basically I recreated the console in Pro Tools. It's just that simple. You know what I'm saying? Like, for some reason people think it makes a big difference when it's not really a big difference. All right, it's like you act like you're going to be recording and adjusting the preamp as you're recording. It's like, come on, bro, don't nobody do that. Ain't nobody gonna do that. So with that being said, it's like, bro, it's no difference. Just like, hey, literally no difference, bro. I like watch this. Like, let's go look at the what you call it real quick, because people might not understand. So like, watch this. All right. So the first clip was at -5, right? The second clip with it in the insert has more headroom to go. You know what I'm saying? It's almost perfectly gain staged at -6 dBs, right? Because, you know, most of the time when people gain stage, they drop it to -6 anyway, right? You see this? This is the one with it being in unison. I got 0.7 dB differential, whatever. I can't talk right now. You know what I'm saying? You see the difference? So the gain stage, let's say we wanted the gain stage to keep it under 6 dBs. Watch this. Boop. Now it's at 7. Watch this. Doop. Watch this. Doop. Doop. Go up. Now it's at 7. Now watch this. We still got more headroom with it on the inserts versus it being in unison. Come on, bro. Like, come on. Just let me rock out, bro. It's not that big of a deal, man. Like, come on, bro. Like, people got to understand. They got to stop taking these tutorial videos and what they favorite YouTubers say so seriously all the time and run to other people's channels and try to tell somebody they're doing something wrong when it's like, bro, I paid my money for these plugins, for this interface, for this computer, for this microphone, all this other stuff. Like, I did that. Like, come on, bro. You can't tell me how to do what I do. And I got results doing what I do, you know? Like, I don't really care how you record. I'm just showing you. I just show you what I think is cool. And if you want to try it, you can try it. If you don't. But, you know. I don't know, bro. You know, I'm tired of getting bullied, though, bro. Tired of it, bro. It's like people just be like, yo, bro, oh my God, your song is going to get 1,000 more streams because you recorded in unison. Or they're like, oh, bro, your song could have went viral if you would have just used unison. Your song, like, bro, Travis Scott would definitely sign you if you actually just put your knee 1073 in unison. Come on, bro. Come on, man.